Guys, Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2 and sharing with you a really small quick project that I did for Christmas in July using Rosie's Studio Very Merry collection. And I just did a tiny little stuffed stocking, and the stocking is an SVG from Whitlock that I used my Cricut to cut out and put together. And of course I made a few little extra things that didn't quite fit in here because I made the stocking so petite. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the things that didn't fit in there. The first thing is this little Santa picture that I made. I believe these are Spellbinders, the frame dies, and I took the inside, and of course I layered it up on some foam, and I've sewn around both frames. And then this Santa die, I believe he is a Sizzix Santa, so I went ahead and just assembled him and put him together on the frames here. For the background paper to put everything on, I used the little elves playing in the snow and just having a good time. It's a very fun collection. Love all the bright colors. I believe that this was Hobby Lobby ribbon, and I kind of cut it up and made my own little holly at the top here. The next thing I did was made a shaker pocket to hold a shaker that I had made using the collection. So I used their confetti collection, their confetti that goes with the collection, and of course I added some of my own to make it more colorful because theirs was only the red and white colors, and I wanted to include all the fun teals and pinks and stuff that are in this collection. The shaker pocket is actually an idea here. With the belly band is actually an idea I saw Patty, Mommy and Me Crafts make, and so the little belly band just actually holds the top down on the shaker pocket, and then inside is a little shaker, which is a present. Inside the stocking I have a little fun pin that I put in there, and it's just got all the little jingle bells on it. I included a little flag or pennant here, and it's on a gold straw. This is the KS Craft die. That is their flag or whatever. I've sewn all around it, and I added the puffy letters that spell out Santa in a little puffy bow, and I included a fun little fuzzy pom-pom on there. The next thing I made were some elf shoes. They're just the inverse of each other here, and the little packaging, I just used one of the joyful puffy letters and a puffy sticker of some holly berries, and I've added little diamond dots where all the little bells should be on the little elf socks. Let's see, I also made some little bows to share, and they have little snowflake Jimmy centers. And the paper is like that peppermint stripe paper. I, of course, had to make a fun dangle. The dangle has lots of the Christmas elements, but in the very colorful places. We have enamel Christmas tree, we have lights, we have jingle bells, we have different peppermints, we have balls with little snowflakes on them, actual snowflakes, little Santa clay bits, a candy cane, a gingerbread house, all the different color jingle bells, a reindeer over here, some stars, some more snowflakes. Just tried to make it as fun and colorful as possible. Even some enamel snowflakes and Santa's little hat and stuff. Oh, and I even have like a little gingerbread shaped bead as well. Just tried to make it a fun chunky dangle to go with all the fun colorful colors of this collection. And the last thing I have hidden down here in the in the stocking is that sequin mix that I have everywhere, and this is just like a bubble wand, and I cut some of the paper out to fit in the center and use some of the puffy stickers that say fun to add to it. And here is a closer look at that little stocking. I think it is so cute. I used the peppermint paper and the bright colorful stars. I have sewn around with that like teal color thread. For my base of my cluster here, I have a hot pink snowflake. We have different tickets from the collection, as well as a little candy cane. I have just like a teal rosette, and then I've taken the ephemera pieces of the ornaments here, the little baubles, and I have sewn all the little details on there by hand. I've added a few diamond dots to accentuate everything, and then I puffed up some of the star ephemera, and then the words I chose to use were joy to the world, and all of the different colors here are stitched by hand as well. For the top, for the trim, I had this little like turquoise teal oh my goodness, tassel ribbon that I went around there, and then this is from like I believe Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of the three, and it was the little bow ribbon, and I went all around the stocking with that to give it a fun little look. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick little Christmas in July share. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know down below, and follow me everywhere on social media as Raven Lou and Paper 2 if you guys want to see more of this stuff with less talking. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.